Yo, I'm bored, dude.
Kenapa kan ni? Masalah ke?
Nah, it's strange because I used to conquer the single player world and now it's done.
Oh, that's why. Tapi kan, kenapa kau tak try SMP?
Yeah, I try it, but SMP nowadays is really boring and I already try all of it though.
Memang betul banyak server kat luar sana kan. Tapi kenapa kau tak try Telur SMP tu? It's basically semi-vanilla anarchist server, kau tahu tak? But you have to get along with it. It's not easy that you thought, man. But you have to get along with it. It's not easy that you thought, man.